Ever wondered if a simple shift in your thoughts could change your entire life? Welcome to Talk and Learn, where today we're unpacking the game-changing power of positive thinking. This is not just about smiling more. It's about building a mindset that helps you tackle challenges, chase your dreams, and live with more joy. In this episode, we'll share practical tools and real-world tips to help you become mentally unstoppable. So, grab a coffee, get comfy, and let's explore the path to a more positive you. Positive thinking is like a mental superpower. It's about approaching life's hurdles with optimism and confidence, believing you can handle whatever comes your way. This doesn't mean ignoring tough moments. It's about focusing on solutions and possibilities. Studies show that optimists are happier, healthier, and more successful in their careers and relationships. For example, a 2019 study found that positive thinkers have stronger immune systems and lower stress levels. Imagine reducing stress just by tweaking how you think. Let's explore how to make this mindset yours. The first step is catching those negative thoughts that sneak into your head. The ones like thinking, I'm a failure after one mistake. These thoughts are often automatic, but they're not always true. Start by noticing them. If you think I always screw up, stop and ask, is that really accurate? Have I succeeded before? Challenging these thoughts helps you break free from mental traps. For instance, if you're stuck in a nothing thinking, believing you're either perfect or a total flop, remind yourself that life isn't black and white. This shift opens the door to a more hopeful outlook. Now let's build some habits to keep positivity flowing. One easy trick is gratitude. Each day write down 3 things you're thankful for: a kind text from a friend, a good meal, or even a sunny morning. This habit trains your brain to spot the good stuff. Another tool is positive affirmations. Try saying, I'm strong enough to handle this when you're stressed. It might feel silly at first, but it reinforces your confidence. Mindfulness is also huge. Just a few minutes of deep breathing or noticing your surroundings can calm your mind and make optimism easier. These small practices add up, creating a brighter mental space. Surrounding yourself with the right people is another key. Ever notice how a cheerful friend can lift your mood? Spend time with folks who inspire and support you. They all rub off on you in the best way. Also, try spreading kindness. Small acts, like complimenting a coworker or helping a neighbor, boost your mood and create a positivity loop. A 2020 study showed that kindness increases happiness for everyone involved. These connections and actions build a foundation for a more optimistic life. Let's talk about turning challenges into opportunities. This is where a growth mindset comes in, the belief that you can grow through effort and learning. Instead of dreading setbacks, see them as chances to improve. Made a mistake? So what can I do better next time? Set small, realistic goals to keep moving forward, and celebrate every step, like finishing a tough task or learning a new skill. Persistence is everything. When things get tough, think of a time you overcame a hurdle. Remind you that you've got this. Carol Dweck's book Mindset dives deeper into this, showing how a growth mindset fuels success. Positive thinking also transforms how you handle everyday life. At work, optimism makes you a problem solver, someone who sees possibilities where others see roadblocks. In relationships, it helps you communicate better and resolve conflicts with empathy. Even your health gets a boost. Optimists have lower risks of heart issues, according to a 2021 health study. These benefits show that positivity isn't just a mindset. It's a way to thrive in every area of life. Imagine the impact of carrying this energy into your daily routine. Here's a practical plan to make positivity a habit. Start your day with an affirmation. Today, I'm ready for anything. At lunch, take a quick mindfulness break, close your eyes, breathe deeply, and let stress melt away. Before bed, jot down 3 things you're grateful for. Once a week, do something kind, like buying a coffee for a stranger or volunteering. These actions don't take much time, but build a strong, resilient mindset. Norman Vincent Peale, author of The Power of Positive Thinking, says it best. Change your thoughts, and you change your world. Start small and watch the magic happen. It's important to know that positive thinking isn't about pretending life is perfect. We'll still have bad days, and that's okay. Maybe you're upset about a work mistake and acknowledge it. figure out what went wrong, and move forward with a plan. This balance keeps you grounded while pushing you toward optimism. With practice, you'll find it easier to bounce back from setbacks and stay hopeful, even when life gets messy. As we wrap up, remember that positive thinking is a skill you can hone every day. Be kind to yourself as you practice celebrate catching a negative thought or feeling a bit more hopeful. If you want more insights, check out The Power of Positive Thinking by Norman Vincent Peale, a classic for a reason. We'd love to hear how you're embracing positivity, so drop a comment or tag us online. If this episode sparked something in you, share it with a friend and keep the good vibes going. Thanks for tuning in to Talk and Learn. Keep practicing, keep growing, and keep shining. Here's to a life filled with possibility and positivity. See you next time.